Hi there, my name is Caroline and you are watching Caroline Glory YouTube channel, where I teach you simple meals to prepare in your home. And on this amazing episode, I'm going to teach you how to make cinnamon egg toast. Sausages are the comfort of your home. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. Give me that like. Let's get started. Cut them and put them on your plate. Next is our sausages. They are the easiest to cook because all you need to do is just heat your pan, put 2 tablespoons of oil and cook this on low heat, and then you keep turning them. You cook them for 30 minutes. Slow cooking, and your sausages will be just perfect. So the first thing we're going to do is heat our pan. Once our pan is hot, we're going to put our oil and let them slow cook. Keep turning them as they cook. When they brown on one side, keep turning them. That's it. Put your oil in your pan, 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure it is spread all over. Oil is hot. You're going to put in your sausages. So you keep turning. Once one side is brown, you just keep turning until the other side is brown. Slowly keep turning. Make sure your heat is very low, on low heat, so that you don't undercook your sausages. You want it to be cooked completely, so your should be on low. Keep turning them as they cook. What I do to make sure my sausages taste so good, I just cut my onions like this and some parsley, some tudanias, and then I just put them just to garnish the sausages, to give them that fresh taste. Look at that. Amazing. So these are done, as you can see. All done. They look amazing. Look so good. So you let them sizzle in that juice of the sausages. Yes, and they come out looking so fresh. Look at that. So good. So good. Our sausages are done. So we're going to make easy cinnamon toast. It's very easy to make cinnamon egg toast. So the first thing that you're going to do is just butter your bread, just like this, and then make sure your butter is soft so that it's easy to spread evenly on your bread like this. Just put it on your bread, and then you just put some more. Yes, just like that. You keep spreading like that. So the next thing is we're going to break our egg. So don't say that it's hard to make a nice brunch breakfast. It's very easy to make. So you just break your egg. put in some salt as usual, and then you're going to put our cinnamon. Going to put our cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. So after buttering your toast, the next step we're going to do is put our pan on fire. We're going to heat our pan. Just put a bit of oil. After putting a bit of oil on it, once it's hot, you're going to put your toast that you put in your cinnamon egg mixture in, and just let it cook on that side, and then put the next one just like that, and then you can put as many as you want depending on the number of people you have. Pan. So this one is done. I'm gonna put it on our plate. So the next one is here. Just put it there. It is so easy to make your cinnamon toast. Look at that. Just spread it like that so that it gets all of it inside. Just put it there. You can pour the remaining one on top. I'm going to put a bit of oil on the side so it doesn't stick. But these cinnamon toasts are so good. They are so good for breakfast. So if you're looking to spoil yourself, this is it. So you're going to turn over. There you go. One toast. I'm gonna have a taste. Look at that. Wow, it is so good. Delicious. I love how cinnamon and egg give that toast a new taste. It's so good and so easy to make. Try it at home. Surprise your loved one if you've enjoyed. Amazing. It is very easy to make this. Try it out. Let me know how yours turned out. Comment down below. I always reply to your comments, and I would like to say once again, thank you so much for my amazing fans, you who've been watching my video and sharing. Yes, let's have a taste. It bursts you in your mouth with so much sweetness. And it's so well done, so well cooked, and so juicy. You know about sausages, you want to retain that juiciness, and you want to feel it in every sausage that you have. So I think that's it from me, guys. Subscribe, don't forget to share, like. Yes, bye bye.